It's a 2017 Ford Escape. Yield to adventure. This SUV will take you and your toys to faraway places. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. EcoBoost engine, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, Sync Services Wi-Fi hotspot, voice activation, active grille shutters, memory exterior door mirror settings, and hands-free liftgate. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.